Our workouts are for everyone, and yes, that's including you ladies as well, especially us ladies over 50. Don't ever think that you can't do a workout that we do, because there's always alternatives and progressions, there's common mistakes, there's warm-ups, there's cool downs, there's step-by-step guides to help you on your kettlebell journey. Quite often in the videos you'll see me do an alternative as well. So you don't have to follow Taco all the time, you can also follow me for an alternative, and then you can build yourself up from there. The Gold membership gives you access to us online coaches where you can submit your videos and we provide feedback, and you can actually keep it in the system, and then 3 months later you can go back and see, oh wow, that's what I used to look like, and now look at how I've improved. We have enormous variety of workouts. We have high intensity, we have power, we have strength, we have slow grinding things that we incorporate into the workouts, such as windmills, Turkish get-ups. Hi, my name is Anna Junghunt. I have over 2 decades of experience with kettlebells, over 3 decades experience in the fitness industry. I've just achieved Candidate Master of Sport in kettlebell competition in Greece. I'm going for another competition soon. So why not come and work out with me? You can get me personally as your coach. I will teach you that mental toughness that you want. We've got an awesome variety of kettlebell workouts within our library. We've got power, we've got strength, we've got endurance, we've got cardio, we've got mobility and flexibility, plus a lot more. And the beauty about our workouts is we incorporate the boring stuff into the workouts, which means it's the mobility and flexibility, which a lot of the time people don't do. That's why we put it into our workouts. And after a month or 2, you're going to realize how much more flexible your body is, how much more mobile you're becoming, how your body moves better, how you can get up and get off the floor. Also, our workouts are tailored to suit you. There's always a regression. We teach you, if you can't do a move, you can do the alternative, and then you can build yourself up from there. Another great thing about our workouts is it teaches you mental toughness, especially in our endurance, our muscular endurance workouts. When you need to do a certain task for maybe 5 minutes, 10 minutes of one exercise, such as a snatch or a clean and press. I have just competed in another kettlebell competition in Greece, and I claimed the title of Candidate Master of Sport. I did 10 minutes of snatch, 180 reps with one hand switch. And I'm over 50, and I love competing, and I want to keep competing. And every time I compete or I have to train up for it, I build my mental toughness up more and more and more. And if that's something that you want to do and build that muscular endurance up and build that mental toughness up, come and join us in the workouts. I have an enormous passion for kettlebells. I want to help you get better with your kettlebell journey, to stay safe, to stay injury-free. If you're having problems with your kettlebells, like banging on the wrists or your shoulders or your lower back, it all comes down to technique, and it all comes down to working out what is going on there, and also learning the basics and the fundamentals first. So come and work out with me. I want to help you get better.